Alright, here's your definition up here. Well-timed, occurring at a perfect time. So opportune means the perfect moment. So you need to write a sentence for that really quickly. If you don't have quotes around it, then how much is on paper?
Where does all this stuff like this go? Everybody gets together, you're all big.
Okay. Listen up. Listen up. Okay, you should be done writing your sentence. Definition is up, or well, it was. There it is. If you don't have a sentence written, write it quickly because we have a lot of stuff to do today. First thing, we're going to be practicing for our debate tomorrow, and so I'm going to let you know what position you are going to be arguing for and who is going to be on your team / the group that you're in. So, the groups are going to be like this. U4, group 1, U4, group 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? This half of the room will be arguing for uniforms. This half of the room will be arguing against uniforms. Okay?
Let's do this.
So, tell me what your group number was. 1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6,
7.
8.
So 4 through 8 is 5 through 8 is.
Against.
So we're 4 uniforms.
You're 4 uniforms. Okay. Get quiet, please. Get quiet. Okay, we're going to go over what the debate is going to look like tomorrow. I have the directions on the board, and we're going to go over it really quick, and then we're going to actually practice it with a different topic. So I need everybody turning to face the smartboard and ready, quiet. Thank you. Okay. There will be 4 chairs on each side. So there'll be 4 chairs right here and 4 chairs right here. They'll be facing each other. Okay? Teams from this side will sit on these 4 chairs. You guys will sit in these 4 chairs. Okay? The round will start by one person from the pro side raising their hand. They'll be called on. They'll state their claim. So it will be something like, we should wear uniforms because blah, 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 blah. Then somebody from the same team, a different person, will raise their hand and provide a piece of evidence to support it. Okay? If they get those correct, you'll get a point for each, for the whole team, for your whole side. Then we'll go to this side. They will present a counter argument or their own argument, and someone else will back it up with evidence. So for each round, 2 people should be speaking from each team. Then we'll get up and switch, and team 2 will come, and team 6 will come. And we'll keep switching until all the claims and evidence are used. Okay? Does that make sense? Yes. We're going to practice it if it doesn't. If you're speaking, this is what you're going to say. Well, first you're going to raise your hand and you're going to wait to be called on. Then, if you're going to state a claim, you're going to say students should or should not wear uniforms because, and then you'll state your claim. Then if you're providing evidence, you'll say to back up that claim, and you'll state the evidence. And then if you're on the other side and you're providing a counter-argument, you will say, you make a valid point by stating that, and you will restate what their argument was, so you have to listen. However, and then you'll provide your statement. And then the evidence person will just say it the same way. So that means that you need to be paying attention at all times. Because first of all, you don't want to state a claim that's already been stated, and second of all, you need to know what their claim was so that you can say you made a valid point by saying blah 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 blah. Everyone following me so far? Okay, we're gonna practice really quick with a different topic. So I need you four to bring your chairs right here and have a seat. You four, bring your chairs right here and have a seat. Bring yours right here.
Yeah, I agree.
The rest of the class needs to be paying attention because you'll be using these same sheets to get your claims from. If they already state it, when we do the real debate, you'll lose a point if you use one that has already been used. You good?
Yep.
Alright, you go to the pro side. Here's two papers you're going to share. Okay, you guys will share, so it's past needs, that's people speak. So, on this paper, there's bullets of claims, so arguments that you can make, and underneath it is evidence that backs it up. So one person will state the claim, and the other person will state the evidence. This is practice. So the topic is, should cell phones be used in the classroom? That's the topic that we're using to practice. You guys didn't get to research this, so I'm providing you with the information.
Who's for and who's against?
These people are for using cell phones in the classroom. These people are against. Okay, so I would say, I'm the moderator, I would say, question is, should cell phones be used in the classroom? Pro, you guys have the floor. So one person who wants to state a claim needs to raise their hand. Okay, look.
Okay, cell phones can be used to help children with...
Okay, wait. You're supposed to say, students should use cell phones in class because, and then say this.
Students should use cell phones in class because cell phones can be used to help children with disabilities effectively communicate and learn.
Okay, then someone else will raise their hand and provide the evidence and start off by saying to back up that claim, and then you state your evidence. Go ahead, Chen.
To back up that claim, the iPhone offers the application iSign. The app facilitates communication between deaf students and general education teachers and others who do not sign. Students and teachers who need to learn American Sign Language can use the program containing 800 signs and gestures modeled with a Brady character.
Okay, good. Then you go to the con side and you're going to start off by saying you make a valid point. You remember what his argument was?
Yes,
It's not on your sheet, it's on his. So you remember it?
I think so.
Alright, Savannah, go ahead.
You make a valid point by stating that you can use your phones in school to help communicate. However, cell phones have also been used to help individuals cheat on exams because of their small size and access to endless information. The increased pressure to do well on the test makes it seem like a valuable option.
Okay? Someone's going to do the evidence.
Okay. To back up that claim, according to an article by U.S. News, more than 75% of parents responding to the survey say that cell phone cheating happens at their children's schools, but only 3% believe that their own teen is using their cell phone.
Okay, good. So that round is over, so now you'll switch. Team 2 and Team 6 will come up here, and you guys will pass those papers along to them.
Good job, guys. Alright.
No, leave your chairs.
Should we go back to the
You can sit in. Alright, get seated quickly. Okay. Be quiet so we can hear them. Alright, it's the pro side's turn. So raise your hand.
Students should be able to use cell phones because certain apps and websites, lockers connect to campus Wi-Fi, giving teachers and administrators control over what sites students can and cannot access at school.
Okay. Who wants to do the evidence? Julian?
For example, the iPhone offers the application iSigns. The app facilitates communication between deaf students are the applicant.
Show them which claim he's on.
Schools use programs such as defined policies by YouTube groups, directory of services, and antivirus.
Okay, Colin's side.
We should not use cell phones because ringing or vibrating cell phone is just like really cancels the weird.
Okay.
According to an
I
online
ain't gonna raise your hand.
according to an online journal, alternatively, response to a ringing cell phone may be primarily associated with a voluntary oriented response that's characterized by a brief distraction from ongoing activity. Indeed, previous research revealed that the presence of novel sounds in the environment led to delayed responses to an ongoing visual activity.
Okay, good, switch. Do you guys have 5 people on your team?
No, they're the other two. There were 2 people. No, there were 8. But the schedule works. That one row is group 7, so Carter's 2 of us.
Will you hand me that, Sebastian, hand me that clipboard. Yep, I don't need that.
Yeah, what's his
Caleb, Laura, Carter is team 7. Okay, you guys are a different team. Hey, okay. Shh, get quiet, please. Go ahead.
Okay. Students should be able to use cell phones in class because parents use cell phones to communicate with students.
Okay.
To back up that claim, banning cell phones entirely can create unexpected problems. Many parents support phones in schools by coordinating pickups after school activities with their children. They may also want to be able to reach them during the case of an emergency.
Okay, go on side. Caleb.
They can also be a mechanism for cyberbullying and the harassment of other students. The constant access to social media and to each other often enables students to spread information or photos very quickly, which can make life unbearable for those being harassed. Rumors or something embarrassing about a teacher or classmate can be spread instantly.
Okay. Laura.
To back up that claim, one of the largest concerns for teachers, parents, and school administrators is cyberbullying. This particular form of abuse is endemic to school children, therefore is an issue that is hard to control as cell phones are not.
Okay, good. Switch one last time to the last group. You guys move over. Oh, here? Okay, get quiet, please. This is the last round. So we're going for the pro side first. Someone's got to raise their hand. Okay, evidence. Okay, go ahead.
This enables students to have better communication
teachers, especially for questions or clarification. And teachers are able to join in to answer questions or steer the conversations in the direction that they wish.
Okay, concept. Leslie?
You do make a good point there. But phones lessen students' writing abilities.
Have you guys already done that one? Okay.
In high school, students are going accustomed to reading anything longer than 140
Okay. Everybody needs to go back to their seat, and these chairs need to be back where they're supposed to go. I'll also take the papers.
I did.
Okay, guys, have a seat quickly and quietly. Okay. Okay, let's talk through a few things before we do what we're going to do for the rest of the period. Things you need to remember for tomorrow that you probably observed by practicing. Everybody needs to listen, because if you don't know what was said, then you're not going to be able to give back their argument if you need to. And you need to listen if you're just watching, because you need to be able to know if people have already said the claim that you were going to say. So you need to be listening and paying attention at all times tomorrow. Second of all, the sheet that I gave you that had the list of claims and evidence was easy to read, and it was like you had the claim and the evidence right underneath it, so you didn't have to look through a bunch of papers. You may want to do that for your own set of evidence and claims. Okay? So for the rest of the period, you are going to be able to talk with your groups, compare your evidence, and put it together so that you can be organized tomorrow during the debate. Now, I'm also going to give you a sheet that has some evidence and claims on it. How many people read the article yesterday that had the list of pros and cons in like blue and green? Okay, that's what this is from. This is yours to keep, so if you would like to use this tomorrow during the debate, that's fine. The most important thing is that you and your team are on the same page. Okay? So I don't care how you do it, but you need to be on the same page.
You know what?
I'm blind. I'm sick.
So that like we don't have to worry about repeating. Ready?
Okay, you can talk to each other, but keep it at a low volume. A low volume.
I got like so nervous when we were starting. I can throw again though. gotta buy it.
We're gonna do robots.
I have a 12 plus 2 bags. I have a 31.
I gotta choke up on the wall.
Okay, I'm reading this.